Before I dive into that study, let me take a step back, because I think the reason that we did this study goes back to this kind of epiphany that we had while studying the gut microbiome. Because I think when we started studying it at Stanford, we were thinking about it as this kind of newly appreciated aspect of our biology, almost like finding an organ that we didn't know was there, and starting to think about like all the drug targets that were there. Can we go in with small molecule drugs and think of ways to manipulate this community to ameliorate disease? And this is largely the mindset of Western medicine, and largely born out of the era of infectious disease. You wait for an infection to start, a bacterial infection, you treat with antibiotics, and that's the way medicine is practiced. And that's become less successful over time as we've moved into this era of inflammatory Western diseases and largely moved out of the era of infectious diseases, at least infectious bacterial diseases, that this paradigm of waiting for diseases to appear and come into the clinic is not really very effective in the context of inflammatory Western diseases, autoimmune diseases, metabolic syndrome, heart diseases, and inflammatory disease.